Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to explore a very important topic for home gardeners: how to irrigate your raised garden beds effectively. Whether you're growing vegetables, herbs or flowers, the right irrigation system can save time, conserve water, and give your plants exactly what they need. Let's dive in. 1. Why irrigation matters. Raised garden beds offer many benefits: better soil control, fewer weeds, and easier access. But one challenge gardeners often face is consistent and efficient watering. Traditional overhead watering can waste water and promote disease. Hand watering works, but it's time-consuming, especially during hot weather. That's where smart irrigation systems come in. They deliver water right where your plants need it, to the roots, with minimal waste. Let's look at some of the best irrigation methods for raised beds. 2. Drip irrigation system. One of the best irrigation options for raised beds is the drip irrigation system. In this setup, small tubes with emitters run through your bed. Each emitter slowly releases water directly into the soil. Drip systems are efficient, reduce evaporation, and are easy to automate with a timer. Advantages of drip irrigation include: conserves water, reduces weed growth, minimizes plant diseases caused by wet leaves, can be easily customized to different bed shapes and plant needs. You can buy drip kits online or at gardening stores, or build your own with tubing, connectors, and a simple timer. 3. Soaker hoses. Another popular method is the soaker hose. It looks like a regular hose, but it's made of porous material that allows water to slowly seep out along its length. Soaker hoses are easy to install. Just snake the hose through your raised bed and connect it to a water source. They work well for closely spaced plants and are best used on flat beds to ensure even water distribution. However, soaker hoses can sometimes clog or break down over time, so regular checks are important. 4. PVC pipe irrigation. A more DIY-friendly option is the PVC pipe irrigation system. In this method, PVC pipes are laid out in the bed, with small holes drilled along their length. Water flows through the pipes and evenly distributes into the soil. PVC systems are durable, customizable, and ideal for gardeners who want a more permanent solution. They can also be connected to timers or rain barrels to reduce manual watering. 5. Manual watering tips. If you prefer to water manually, that's okay too. But here are some pro tips. Water early in the morning to reduce evaporation and allow leaves to dry. Use a watering wand or can to target the base of plants. Avoid splashing water on leaves, which can cause disease. Stick your finger in the soil. If it's dry an inch below the surface, it's time to water. Manual watering gives you time to inspect your plants. No matter which system you choose, adding a timer can make your life much easier. Timers can be mechanical or digital and allow you to set watering schedules, avoid overwatering, keep your garden healthy while you're away. Some advanced timers even connect to weather apps or sensors to skip watering on rainy days. Automating your system ensures consistent moisture, which is key for plant health and higher yields. 7. Final tips and maintenance. Before we wrap up, here are a few important maintenance tips. Check emitters, hoses and pipes for blockages or leaks regularly. Flush out your system once a month to prevent clogs. Adjust your watering schedule as seasons change. Use mulch to retain moisture and reduce watering needs. Keeping your system clean and well maintained will ensure it lasts for many years. So, weed 2. The best ways to irrigate your raised garden beds efficiently. From drip systems and soaker hoses to PVC setups and timers, there's a method that fits every garden and every budget. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with fellow gardeners. See you in the next video, and happy gardening!